10,000 people per day are turning age 65. 4,000 people per day are turning age 85. 70% of those people are going to need long-term care for an average of 3.5 years. Now you can be the provider of that care in your very own residential assisted living facility, a licensed home designed to care for their daily needs. Get ready to attend our ALF Ownership Opportunity Meeting. This type of information has never been shared before. We're going to supply you with a complete A to Z blueprint that shows you how to go about opening up, owning, and last, operating a residential assisted living facility. So make sure you attend our upcoming event. Go to www.alfownership.com and register today.
Hey, how you doing? This is Robert King, founder of Harmony Homes, an assisted living facility operator, and today on Roadmap to Opening and Owning and Operating your own assisted living facility, we're going to talk about if in fact your home has to have a sprinkler system or not. Today we're going to talk about fire safety. Now listen, everything I teach is all about what happens in my code and my zoning in my area. I'm in Southwest Florida. Yours is going to be based on what your zone and what your fire marshal, the things that they say they need. But I'm going to give you a little brief update. Most people think you need a sprinkler system. Well, here in Southwest Florida, because we're only applying for 8 beds, we don't need a sprinkler system. We can have our regular smoke detectors, but they all have to be interconnected. And today, we're fortunate to have an expert from ENROLLMENT Security. I know the company, Dan, he's good. So if you ever want anybody to hook you up in Southwest Florida, Dan at ENROLLMENT Security can help you. But today we have Eric.
Yes, sir.
And he's the installer, their top installer here at Harmony Homes. And he's going to explain what it is that he's doing for us here at Harmony Homes. Eric, thanks a lot, buddy, for coming.
No problem.
Oh, that's okay.
We'll edit that out, right?
It's all live. It's all live.
All right, so this detects your smoke detector noise. If they're not interlinked, or if you don't want to get additional smoke detectors that are monitored through your alarm system, these just go up next to your smoke detector. If the smoke detector goes off, it picks up the audible noise. Transmits it wirelessly back to the panel. The panel knows, sets off your smoke detectors. It'll go to your monitoring station. If you have it monitored, they will send the appropriate authority. The fire department will be dispatched immediately. These are real nice. You don't have to have additional smoke detectors. They just go up with your existing ones, pop up right next to them. That's about it for these. This is a pull alarm. It's like the big red ones you'll see on a commercial building or grocery store. Basically, it'll go up on your wall. This is wireless as well. If you ever have an emergency, pull it down, transmits it wirelessly back to your alarm panel. Fire department will be dispatched immediately if you're monitored. If you're not monitored, it's going to set off your smoke detectors. The alarm panel will tell all your smoke detectors to go off at once.
All right, so that's pretty simple then, right?
Pretty simple. No need for the sprinklers down here. No need for 2 smoke detectors in the same spot. This one just goes next to your existing smoke detector. Picks up the sound, sends it back, done deal.
So there you go, guys. You do have to have some type of fire safety system in place. Make sure you talk with your local fire marshal to make sure that you're in compliance, because before your state agency will pass you as an assisted living facility or an adult family care home, you have to have your fire safety in place. And so we just wanted to give you that tip on Roadmap to Opening, Owning, and Operating your own assisted living facility. Thank you, buddy. Appreciate your time. You can go back to work.
All right, you got it, man. You got it.
10,000 people per day are turning age 65. 4,000 people per day are turning age 85. 70% of those people are going to need long-term care for an average of 3.5 years. Now you can be the provider of that care in your very own residential assisted living facility, a licensed home designed to care for their daily needs. Get ready to attend our ALF Ownership Opportunity Meeting. This type of information has never been shared before. We're going to supply you with a complete A to Z blueprint that shows you how to go about opening up, owning, and last, operating a residential assisted living facility. So make sure you attend our upcoming event. Go to www.alfownership.com and register today.